Hi friends, it's me, Miss Erin, here for today's family story time. I thought today, with all the time that we've been spending at home, we could talk about something that I love to do when I'm at home, baking. Do you like to bake with your families? I hope so. Let's get started for story time. Let's take our wiggle, wiggle fingers way up in the sky. Wiggle, wiggle fingers, wave them all bye-bye. Wiggle, wiggle fingers, fold them in a ball, throw them in your lap, and do not let them fall. All right, the first book today is called Baking with Dad, and it's by Aurora Cacciapuoti. Baking with Dad. The other thing you should know about this book, there's a cat on every page. See if you can spot the cat on every page and see what the cat's doing. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Let's see, which of these things do you think we'll need to bake? Do we need flour? Do we need baking powder? What about socks? No, we don't need socks to bake. What about toilet paper? No, we don't need toilet paper to bake. What about milk? Sometimes we need milk. Or eggs. Yeah, I do a lot of eggs in my baking. What about cockroaches? No, we don't want cockroaches to bake. Baking with Dad. Today is a special day because I am baking with Dad. We already have all the ingredients. It's important to choose them carefully. Raisins? Yes. Lemons? Yes. Pencils? No. Flour? Yes. Spiders? No. Milk? Yes. Eggs? Yes. Cockroaches? No. A biscuit? Yes. A bird? No. Yogurt? Yes. Toilet paper? No. Snails? No. Some butter? Yes. Baking powder? Yes. Apples? Yes. Cocoa? Yes. Flowers? No. Socks? No. Brown sugar? Yes. Let's start. Crack the eggs. Whoosh. Ouch! Then add the sugar. Woohoo! And now mix, mix, shake, shake, whisk, whisk. Next, flour. Lots of it. Achoo! Can you find the cat on this page? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Then we need butter and milk, right? Do you see the butter and the milk? I see the milk. Uh-oh, there's the butter. We'll need lots of fruit to finish off our creations. Be patient. Let the magic begin. Look, they're peeking in the oven. They've got their oven mitts on. Time to decorate. Frosting and sprinkles. Ding dong. Quick, quick. Do you think they're ready yet? I hope they get there fast. Ta-da! Happy birthday! Wow! What a cake! Surprise! There they go. Everybody's in their party hats. Party hat, party hat, party hat, party hat. And there's the party. Dad, are we going to bake again next week? Oh, look, here's the most important part. Gotta clean up afterwards. They're putting away the cans, putting away the glasses, using the mop and the broom and the vacuum. Gotta scrub off the walls, dust, do the dishes. All kinds of work to clean up. And that's the end. All right, did you like that one? I know one thing that I have to remember to do every day, but especially when I'm eating a sweet treat, I have to remember to brush my teeth, to keep them clean and to keep from getting cavities in my teeth. So I have a song today about brushing our teeth. And this song lets us count from 1 to 5. So first off, every time we say you brush your teeth, you want to brush your teeth. Can you make the noise with me? We're going to make the noise. All right, you ready? Brush your teeth. You think you got it? I don't have a toothbrush for real, so I'm just going to pretend. All right, let's do our song. Now, this was a song that I learned from Raffi. That's the first place I heard it. When you wake up in the morning, it's 1:45, and you think you'll have a little fun. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning, it's 1:45, and you're looking for something to do. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning, it's 2:45, and your mind starts humming. Twiddle-dee-dee, you brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning, it's 3:45, and you think you hear a knock at the door. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. When you wake up in the morning, it's 4:45, and you just can't wait to come alive. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. You brush your teeth. Good work. That was great. All right, now that we brushed our teeth, let's have one more sweet treat with bacon. This book is called I'll Wait, Mr. Panda. What do you think Mr. Panda's gonna make? He's got a bowl. He's got a spoon. He's got a chef's cap. And he's got an apron. I'll Wait, Mr. Panda by Steve Antony. What are you making, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. No, I will not wait. Goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. What kind of animal do we have there? Do you see the penguin? Are you making cookies, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. What do you think? Is the anteater gonna wait? No, waiting is too hard. Goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. Are you making cupcakes, Mr. Panda? Wait and see. It's a surprise. No, I'm done waiting. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. Squawk. Is it ready yet, Mr. Panda? Squawk. No, wait here. What do you think? Is the crane gonna wait? Squawk. I don't like waiting. Goodbye. I'll wait, Mr. Panda. I'm waiting, Mr. Panda. What do you think? Is the penguin ready? It's been a long wait. Surprise! Look at that. Wow! That was worth the wait. Did you see the giant donut? I know. Thank you, Mr. Panda. I can't wait to eat it. There it goes. The penguin's gonna push it away. That's the end. Well, thank you for reading some baking books with me. I hope that you and your family get to make something special this week. If you do, I'd love to hear what you make. And make sure that you brush your teeth afterwards, right? All right, friends, I'll see you here next week. We'll be here for Family Storytime again next Tuesday at 10:30. Have a good week. Bye.